Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's severe weather update. So today, we have a slight risk of severe weather across much of the Northeast, extending from northeastern Pennsylvania all the way through the western half of Maine in the yellow shaded region. And we got a marginal risk extending all the way from the Gulf Coast through the Northeast as well in the dark green. Taking a look at the tornado threat today, we have a 5% chance of tornadoes within 25 miles of a given location across portions of western and northwestern Maine, a 2% chance in the green areas across portions of New Hampshire, Vermont, and New York. We also have a 2% chance of tornadoes along areas of the Gulf Coast across the Florida Panhandle. Looking at today's damaging wind threat, we got a 15% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour or stronger within 25 miles of a given location in the yellow shaded region across the Northeast, a 5% chance in this brown shaded region. And looking at the hail, we have a 15% chance of quarter-sized hail or larger within 25 miles of a given location in the yellow region, and a 5% chance in the brown region today. Now, timing out the storms, beginning at around 1 o'clock Eastern Daylight Time, we could see some isolated thunderstorms begin to develop across portions of northwestern Pennsylvania and western New York State. And going into 3 o'clock p.m., the storms will begin to develop a little bit more numerously across Maine, New York State, and especially as we start heading into the 4 and 5 o'clock time frame, we're going to be seeing scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms across the Northeast. Some of these could be producing some hail, and some of these small lines, could be producing some damaging straight line winds. Going into about 6-7 p.m., we're going to start to see a lot of the cell clusters merge into a line extending from the Philadelphia area through central Vermont, with another line developing across western Maine. And going into about 8-9 p.m., we could be seeing some particularly intense storms moving across central portions of Maine and across portions of the Delmarva, Pennsylvania, southeast Pennsylvania, and western New Jersey. Going into 9, 10, and 11 p.m., the storms will begin to weaken and move offshore. And by about midnight, storms should end across the Northeast. And looking towards areas of the South, we're beginning to get into that time of year where we see these daily isolated to scattered pop-up showers and thunderstorms that are daytime heating driven. So, starting around 11 o'clock, we're not going to have much going on across the Southeast, except some rain across portions of Louisiana and Southeast Texas. But as we go into about noon to 1 o'clock, we're going to be seeing some showers and thunderstorms develop across portions of the Florida Panhandle and southern Alabama. And as we go through the afternoon, storms are going to really light up the radar across the entire Southeast with the daytime heating, producing isolated locations of hail and damaging winds, and a couple of tornadoes as well. Cannot be ruled out. And as we go through the evening, about 11 p.m., the storms should weaken, but we could still be seeing some intense storms and heavy rain across portions, in fact, across much of the Southeast. So anyway, thanks for watching my severe weather update. Make sure to prepare for some isolated to scattered severe weather if you live in the shaded areas today. Have a wonderful day, my friends.